Everyone. In this video, we study about inverse Laplace transform of the form e to the power of minus as into capital F of s. Mean, suppose if the given function resemble the form of e power minus as into capital F of s, how to find out the inverse Laplace transform for this function? For that, we use a property of a unit step function. So we know that by property of unit step function, property of Laplace transform of unit step function. So we have a result that Laplace transformation of f of t minus a into u of t minus a is equal to e to the power of minus as into capital F of s, where this capital F of s is a Laplace transformed function of the function small f of t. Okay, so we will just make use of this result. If I take inverse on this equation, inverse transformation, it becomes L inverse of L of f of t minus a into u of t minus a will be equal to L inverse of e to the power of minus as into capital F of s. So I can cancel out this inverse and the Laplace transformation. So this implies inverse Laplace transform of e power minus as into capital F of s is given by a function f of t minus a into a unit step function u of t minus a. So we make use of this result to solve the problems or to find the inverse Laplace transformation of a function in the form of e to the power of minus as into f of s. It means to find out inverse transformation of e power minus as into capital F of s, it is enough if we find out f of t minus a. So the procedure to find out f of t minus a is, so we have capital F of s, it is Laplace transformed function. Using this, we find out f of t. How to find that? Take an inverse to this. So this implies inverse transformation of capital F of s will be equal to f of t. So once we find f of t, here we replace t by t minus a in order to get f of t minus a. So we get f of t minus a, where a value is given in the question itself. So we just solve one problem on this type. So take example. Suppose if I want to find out the inverse transformation of e to the power of minus 3s by s minus 4 whole square. Solution. It is of the form e to the power of minus as into capital F of s, where the value of a is equal to 3 and your capital F of s is equal to 1 by s minus 4 whole square. So as per the procedure, we need to find out f of t minus a. So I take inverse to this function, which implies L inverse of f of s will be equal to L inverse of 1 upon s minus 4 whole square. So I can rewrite this as e to the power of 4t into L inverse of 1 by s square I can write. So I can rewrite this as f of t will be equal to e to the power of 4t into 1 by s square. Inverse transformation is, it is t to the power of 1 by 1 factorial, which imply that the function f of t is equal to e to the power of 4t into t. But since the value of a is 3, this implies f of t minus a equal to e to the power of 4 into t minus a into t minus a. Now I substitute the value of a. So this implies f of t minus 3 equal to, it is t minus 3 into e to the power of 4 into t minus 3 we get. Now I make use of the property. So what is the property we have? inverse transformation of. So we know that inverse transformation of e power minus as into capital F of s is given by f of t minus a into u of t minus a. I substitute the values now. L inverse of e to the power of minus as means a value is 3 times s and f of s is 1 by s minus 4 whole squared will be equal to f of t minus a is, it is t minus 3 into e power 4 times t minus 3. It's t minus 3 into e to the power of 4 into t minus 3 product with a unit step function u of t minus a value is 3. So I'll just mark an answer. This is the required answer. In the upcoming sessions, we will solve some more problems. Thank you all.